Sir, we can't hear your voice, sir.
Now my voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Now the question number 48, level 2. Today we will wind up the chapter number 1. Tomorrow we have to go in chapter 2, that is chapter 3. We already completed the mensuration arithmetic now. So this is chapter number 2. That today we have to complete this chapter. Problem number 48, level 2 problems. In that, the first question is 48th problem is 6 comma 8 comma 9 LCM. They are asking how to find the LCM of this. First select that minimum number of the given numbers. What are the minimum? 6 and 8. Now read the 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, and here 18, next is 18, next is 24. The factors of this. Yes, factors of the 6 is the 12, 18, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Meanwhile, you read that 8 table also. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Now, in the out of these two numbers, which one is the minimum number is coincided? The minimum number is coincided that, which one is that? Yes. Yeah, wait. I will open one more paper. This is today. Every day, this the problem is happening to me. Yes, the 6, 8, 9. Here 12, 18, 24. The factors of this is 16 and 24. Now, in these two cases, the minimum number is common in the both the table. What number? 24. So this is the LCM of the 6 comma 8. This is the number LCM of the 6 comma 8. Now out of this the answer is what? This one. Now check that again, 9 and this 24 LCM. 9 and 24. You know the normal method. 3 3s are 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 8 8 3s are 24, 25 3s are how much? 24 3s are 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 72. So answer for this three numbers is the answer is what? 72 is the answer. Up to here there is no need to touch the pen and paper, right? So answer the 24 and 9 you can check. The answer is 72 is the answer. Which one is the option? Option number 3. If you have the books, check it that your option number 3 is the correct answer for the question number 48. Shall I go over the second question? Next. Yes. That 49, question number 49. The simplified value of 198 by 216. The simplified, what is the simplified value of this number? They are asking. Simplified value means what? Simplest form they are asking us. What they are asking? Simplest form. What is the simplest form? How to find that? Just cancel it the table, two table. In the two ones are here we are taking two numbers at a time. 2 8s are. Yes, and meanwhile here cancel it. 2 9s are 18. Remainder is 1. Again 2 9s are. Now numerator is 99, it goes in 3 table. If 108, it goes in also 3 table, because of 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 will divisible in 3 table. That's why 108 also divisible in 3 table. Yes or no? Now for that again cancel it in 3 table. 3 3s are 9, remain is 1, 3 6 are 18. Here cancel it, 3 3s are and 3 3s are. Next again do that cancellation. 3 ones are 3 ones are here, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now anything is else? No. In the numerator is 11 and denominator is 12. Is the simplest form of the number is 198 by 216. The answer is 11 by 12. That option, which one is that? fourth one. Option is fourth one is the correct answer. Okay, right? Yes. Now go for the next question. These questions are very important. Now we know that the finding of sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural number formula is a what? N into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. N of sum of n natural numbers. But here we have to find that sum of even numbers, for the even number and for the odd number, right? We have to find that. So for the finding of odd numbers, the formula is n square. Okay, means that what? From find that uh, sum of odd numbers up to 9. Up to 9, you have to find the odd numbers. Find the sum of odd numbers. So this is the maximum number, that is odd number. Na? This is my n value. This is what? My n value. If you find the sum of n natural number odd numbers, then your answer is n square. That is equal to 9 square is equal to 81. Yes, it's a correct. Yes. Now check it that either this is correct or wrong. The formula is, this formula is correct or wrong. Yes, there are the two formulas. One is n square plus 1 and one more is what? N square, right? For the odd numbers, sure, this is the n square. For the even numbers, n square plus n, sorry, not n square plus 1, n square plus n. N square plus s, n. This is the formula. Now check it that here the question number is 50. Question number 50 is what they are asking, that the sum of first n odd natural numbers is 64. Odd numbers formula is what? N square. That is equal to how much they are giving? 64. The sum of first n odd numbers natural number is 64. Then n value is how much? 8 you will get. Yes or no? Yes. Square under root of 64. Can you write that? 8 or not? 8 square. Square root gets cancelled. Your answer is 8. That option is 3. Now go for the next question. Question number 51. Now see that this problem is related on even numbers. Sum of first 50 even natural numbers. What I said to you? N square plus n. So here n value is how much? 50. Sorry, this is not n square, n only. First 50 natural square. So your n value is how much? 50. N is equal to 50. 50 square plus 50. This is how much? 50 means 2500 plus 50. The answer of this question is 2550. Option number 3. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Right? Go for the next. Here see one important problem is there here. Concentrate on the last problem, 54th problem. Problem number 54. If under root of 2 plus x by 2 into 8 minus 2x is equal to 2, then find that x value is how much? This is the question. Okay, sure. Then what to do? You have to do first step is square on both sides. You have to apply that square on both the sides. Then what happens? Under root of, this is the same term what is there in the numerator. Here same term will just apply that square. Yes, the apply here the whole square is equal to 2 square. Yes, in both the side I am applying that what? Square. Then what happens? This number, this square cancel, and here is the what? Yes, I will write in the next paper. The number is 2 plus x by 2, 8 minus 2x. 8 minus 2x is equal to 4. Yes. Then do the simplification of this. Here LCM is how much? 4. 2 is the LCM. 2 2s are 4 plus x by 2. And this is 8 minus 2x is equal to 4. Now, here can I write the next step? 4 plus x into 8 minus 2x. 4 2s are 8. Right? Here, the next step is continuation of this. 4 plus x into 8 minus 2x. 8 minus 2x is equal to 8. Yes, correct? Yeah, good. Then here, how to find the solution of this? Anybody knows? So here we have to get that quadratic equation may be possible. 32 multiply is 32 minus 8x plus 8x minus 2x square. Yes, our assumptions are correct. Is the quadratic equation, and I am writing here minus 2x is the beginning, minus plus cancel. Here is a what? 32 plus 32. Yeah, just wait. This minus plus 32 go right to that side. Then it will here already 8, and this is minus 32. Yeah, no need of the quadratic equation. Also, you can get the solution. Don't worry about it. And here, what is the answer? Yeah, 12 minus 8, 4. Yes, here is 2, and the bigger number is contained minus, then minus here. Then next step, here minus gets cancelled, and here 2 1s are, 2 12s are. Then your x square is equal to 12, and then your x is equal to under root of 12. Under root of 12 is there? Yes, is there. Is there. Either you can write that option 2 or 3, both are correct, because of option 2 or option 3 also correct. If you say that root 12 is answer is also correct, I can write this 12 4 into 3. Now after that I can write also, if I take that 2 is a 4 is a common, then it is 2 and root 3. 2 root 3 is option number 3. So the maximum, the solution we can do up to here. So your answer is 3. If they are not given this under root form like this, then you can stop here only. But after this, there is a calculation is there. But behind this, there is a no calculation. So your ultimate answer is option number 3. So up to that, we completed that successfully, our chapter number 2, number system. So based on this, anybody have any doubts? That tell me that fast. Anybody have any doubts?